To use the system cloner on OnePlus Nord 5, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to move down to the security and privacy, where we should be able to find the system cloner. Select it and click on get started. Now it will ask you to unlock your device, so provide a password, and then the next step will be to create a password for our system clone. That way we also will be able to access it. So we're gonna go with next and create a different code for that other system. Confirm it, and here we have it. We can also enroll a fingerprint for the system clone. In this case, I'm gonna skip it. And now we can enter our system clone. We need to enter that password that we created to enter the clone. And if you want to access your original, just unlock it normally. And here we have it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.